UKhumalo uveze ukuthi ukuhlakazwa kwethimba elalijutshelwe ukuphenya amacala okubulawa kosombusazwe KwaZulu-Natal kwenziwa abathile abanezikhundla eziphezulu ababebona sengathi kuphunywa nabo iqhubu.
It is my view that the attempt to disband the political killings task team was due to the influence of a particular organized crime cartel over the Ministry of Police as well as the South African Police Service, who mistakenly thought that the political killings task team was investigating the same cartel.
Uthi unabo obunye ubufakazi obuqanda ikhanda afisa ukubethula, kodwa ke ucela ukwenza lokho ngasese ngenxa yokuba bucayi kwezinsolo kanye nokuvikela abathintekayo.
But alongside this evidence set out in this statement, there is also considerably more evidence at my disposal that cannot be shared in a public space.
Uthi zazingekho izinhlelo zokuhlakaza leli thimba ngaphambi kokuthi umchunu abhale incwadi yokuthi lihlakazwe ngoZibandlela.
Commissioners, there has been no discussions about the deactivation of the task team, political killings task team.
Until the 31st of
December.
Uthi umsebenzi waleli thimba wawuthela izithelo akuyona into ephathekayo isizathu sokuthi lahlakazwa ngoba lingasasebenzi.
Therefore, any consideration to disband the PKTT cannot be reasonably be attributed to the issues of poor performance or lack of impact, because the evidence presented strongly supports that the team and the approach utilized is successful.
Ikhomishana izoqhubeka kusasa.